Hi guys, Brett here at Kendal Automart. Just going to take you around the Hyundai i30N Fastback 2-litre turbo that we've just taken in. Finished in shadow grey with the 19-inch diamond finished alloys. It's all in good condition. So Fastback sits a little bit lower than the original hatchback version of the vehicle. Is ever so slightly 0.1 of a second quicker over 0 to 62 with its bit more streamlined body, but really good example. Registered in 2019, done under 7,000 miles, and has a full service history with Hyundai as well. So as you can see, alloys really good, bodywork condition is incredible. Like I said, obviously been really well looked after by its previous keeper, and like I said, serviced every 12 months in 2020, 2021 and 2022. So a lovely paint finish on the outside. You've got the part leather interior on the inside as well, and plenty of features to run you through. So confirmation of the mileage there at 6,957. You've got the multifunction steering wheel with the impressive N mode on there as well. You've got digital radio, media options, you've got navigation. I'll set that there. Okay. Through here as well, you can see N mode, you've got Bluetooth telephone, you've got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Pop it in reverse and the rear parking camera becomes active on the screen. You've got the dual zone climate control just underneath as well, and the heated seats, heated steering wheel, winter pack here as well, with your parking sensors and auto start stop. To the left and right of the N embossed gear stick. Like I say, lovely example, been really well maintained, really well kept by the previous keeper. Service history, as I say, is impeccable. So you can see here the vehicle was first serviced with Hyundai in March 2020 at 2,885 miles. 2021 it was done at 4,314, and 2022 we've done 6,801. Doesn't take a genius to work out, it's probably done about two and a half to 3 year varying across the 3 years of its life. So just about running, I would guess, but an incredible driving experience. I have taken it up the road, and I'm sure if you were sat here where I was, you certainly wouldn't be disappointed with the performance and the luxury that you get with the i30N Fastback that we've got here. Well, thank you very much for watching. If you do require any more information, or you want to book a viewing or a test drive, then please give us a call. Thanks again, bye bye.